Unencheremo yokunyara gokinia obonche nabo igo chumi anase county ya Nyamira Ewizara Yebiwanda niko bakoletara yabo ensemo ya sironge yo gotoka emiye county ya Nyamira anekunyara kumulekerana kuligeria park rachikorosi gwase ensemo ya sironga kubwatarana ne county ya Nyamira maiga yo koletari yo niko bate yabune nenchere ya moyo gokinia uchumi nabo igo namagendero ase county yo ya Nyamira.
We are looking at Nyamira Park.
Very,
very high level. It's not going to process flour and the traditional things, because that one we leave to the Rural Transformation Center. We want investors that are coming here with high-level technologies, that if they look at maize, they are not going to mill it and give us unga. Those ones we leave for the rural SMEs. We want them to look at that maize and see breakfast cereals, for instance. So they are now producing high-level things. If it is fish, they are not giving us tinned fish. We want micronutrients from fish, and therefore giving us even pharmaceutical products. We have had.
Neji County Kianda, a judge of supply raw material to the Ocha Industrial Park Yasironga. Shows it represented. You got to watch out, to Ancherane, again taking a Kia to Sukemotu. Ekarato anjenero ochora chinyomba nebintu binde omonto gukonyore faida nyene no moremi orio tebene punde mechoka oremire miaka yose kindari gotenenga ebi meri bino binyare konyori igori dire mara kabere na gwetania na riora nyako ro mwana skuru nayo oragero otware bitanga.